Introducing the HP Jet Fusion 5200 series, HP's most advanced plastics 3D printing solution. Made up of a printer, build unit, processing station, and HP's first natural cooling unit. Now you can unleash new growth and scale your production with an optimized workflow designed for production environments. The build unit is inserted into the printer to initiate printing. HP Multi-Jet Fusion technology delivers dimensional accuracy and repeatability, allowing you to produce functional parts with best-in-class isotropy, while uniquely predictable and consistent print times for any type of part enable you to optimize production. When a build is complete, the build unit is inserted into the processing station and prepared for cooling. The HP Jet Fusion 5200 series natural cooling unit is designed to remove and cool each build naturally, thereby enabling continuous production. The natural cooling unit is placed on top of the build unit in the processing station. The slicing blade is removed and the material collector attached to aid extraction. The processing station's RFID sensors register the natural cooling unit and the identity of the build, prompting extraction to begin. During extraction, the internal platform of the build unit is raised, moving the build into the natural cooling unit. When the transfer is complete, the slicing blade is reinserted and the material collector detached. The natural cooling unit is then removed from the processing station using the HP recommended Hoffman Forklift 5200. It is then stored and left to cool for 30 hours. Meanwhile, the empty build unit can be prepared for the next job, which starts with material loading. Fresh and reused material is automatically mixed according to the predefined mix ratio and loaded into the build unit in a clean, enclosed process. The build unit is then returned to the printer and production can continue. When a stored build has cooled completely, it is ready to be unpacked. The natural cooling unit is inserted into the processing station in the unpacking position. The lid is removed and the natural cooling unit cover put in place to ensure the material remains within the processing station for a safe unpacking process. During unpacking, the unfused material is extracted for reuse and the parts removed for post-processing. With unpacking complete, the natural cooling unit can be removed from the processing station to await the next build. The HP Jet Fusion 5200 series combines dimensional accuracy and part repeatability with best-in-class economics and productivity. Now you can unleash new growth and scale your production with HP's most advanced plastics 3D printing solution.